Today, we're diving into one of the boldest, most luxurious full-size SUVs on the planet, the all-new 2025 Nissan Patrol. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation. If you're looking for premium comfort, powerhouse performance, and the kind of presence that turns heads, you're in for a treat. The Patrol isn't some newcomer, it's a legend. For decades, Nissan has built this name around rugged capability, durability, adventure. But the 2025 model takes that legacy and flips the script, bringing in a level of luxury and sophistication that broadens its appeal beyond just off-road warriors. Why is that important? Because you're not only getting a vehicle that can go anywhere, you're also getting one that wants to impress everywhere. Let's talk looks. From the front, you've got the bold V-Motion grille, commanding LED double C-shape headlights wrapping into the body. The stance is wide, the lines are clean yet muscular. Step back a little and you'll notice the dual-tone paint options, the big wheels, the roof rails, all tying together to say luxury SUV meets serious expedition machine. Walking up to it, you get these puddle lamp effects, lighting on the ground when you open the door. Little touches that elevate the experience. Open the door and the cabin welcomes you like first class. You're sitting in premium quilted leather seats with zero-gravity design foam for improved posture and comfort. The seating is for 8. Yes, 3 rows. But unlike many big SUVs, these rows feel intentional and premium. Look at the materials. Soft-touch surfaces, ambient lighting, panoramic sunroof stretching over the cabin. It's refined. It's plush. It's something you'd expect in a luxury sedan, not just an off-road SUV. And the tech is next level. Dual large screens, wireless smartphone integration, premium sound system. We're talking top shelf. Powering the 2025 Patrol, you've got strong engine options. One is a 3.8-liter naturally aspirated V6, 316 horsepower, 386 Nm, and another, a twin-turbo 3.5-liter V6, producing up to 425 horsepower and 700 Nm of torque. And yes, off-road capability remains intact. The Patrol still has its four-wheel drive DNA, meaning you're not sacrificing capability for luxury. For safety and driver assistance, we've got the Pro Pilot system. That means adaptive cruise, lane keeping, navigation aids built in. The panoramic camera views include invisible hood mode. You'll see the ground under the car in tricky terrain or tight parking. Isn't that cool? Infotainment-wise, big displays. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Google built-in some markets connectivity is deeply embedded. What you're getting? Legendary name plus serious capability plus head-turning luxury. That equals value if your budget and goals align. So, is the all-new 2025 Nissan Patrol the ultimate premium SUV? It's certainly one of the most compelling. It marries heritage, performance, luxury, tech. Rarely do you get all of those in one package. If you're looking for something that impresses, performs, and can handle serious terrain and serious comfort, this one deserves your attention. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive and want to see a walk-around video, drive test, or interior detail of the 2025 Patrol, smash that like button. Leave a comment below. What feature blew you away? And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet.